Hi guys, welcome to our new video. Today we came visited one of some business, and we want to show you how effective rain is. You can use rain at home in an environment where there is almost 10, 20, 30 people, because the device takes 32 people. So I'm gonna show you what to do. If you know, it happens like some people have PCs, computers, and some have devices like phones, some has laptops, and you know, in most cases people has computers like I'm gonna show you like this. A computer like this in most cases doesn't have that Bluetooth, what they call Wi-Fi dongle. So this computer connects straight using a network cable. So it's very difficult to use those small modems for Wi-Fi on this computer. So I'm sorry about that. So what happens is on rain, if you're using a B315, you can connect the entire network. You can use the entire home or entire, let me say, I would say, okay, maybe the entire business using only that modem B315. So it doesn't matter sometimes which network you put into that dongle, that B315. What matters is how much are they gonna charge you on your monthly subscription. So now that's why most people now they do prefer to use rain. So this is a complete setup. I'm gonna show you. You can set up at home in your small office and you'll be fine. So if you have a computer like this, you have a laptop also, and also you have maybe phones, tablets and stuff, you can use only one modem and use a rain SIM card and be fine without paying a lot of money. Anyway, this is the way it's gonna work. So in a house with like 7. So talk about my mama, my dad, we talk about my elder brother, young brother, you know all of those things. So everyone has his own room. Some of them, some they share. But now look, we have only one modem. For instance, this is the modem. You see, this is the B315. And you know, teenagers, how they do, they like what? Downloading stuff, watching movies, watching videos. So this router can help you to do all of that. So but now you saw that this cable, you can see that cable runs from that computer, then it comes and go into that hole. You can see it. So it comes and go to the back of this modem. You can see this modem, you can see, done. So once you set up your modem, put the modem in power. You can see, put the modem in power. This is the power. Then it goes like, okay, sorry, okay, it goes in power. So once it's in power, it's gonna be like this. So the signal is on 3 bar. You can see once the signal is on here, simply means the signal strength is good. So now what happens, you put in your network cable to the first computer. So the second computer, it goes here. The third computer goes here. So that you can see, this can be like a hub. You run this cable, you put it on a hub, then you supply. So once you supply to other cables, then you can be able to do what, to achieve that. So you can see this is 1, 2, 3. So since the ports are 4 only, you cannot connect more than 4. But how do you do it? We did another video whereby I showed you how the network hub works or the network switch works. So what you do, you get one cable, you run it from here, then after running it from that side, then you put it in, okay, you put it in a hub. So once you put it in a hub, that works. So we're gonna show you which card we're using here. You can see that card in that, it's a rain SIM card. This is one of the cheapest you can get. You can use 250 if you want a month. You can use 470 if you want. You can use 699. You can use 1,000, whatever you want. But 1,699, they cannot work into this kind of a modem, because this is a B315. 1,699, they're gonna give you a 5G modem. So this modem is a 4G. It cannot use a 5G SIM card. So now what you do, you can run your network like this. You can see, you run your network cables to go to the second room. You can see, you can run that. You can see there, it goes like that. Then then you go to another second computer. You can see, so that's what you can do. I wanted to show you how you can do some of the stuff. Like there you can see it goes into the roof, then you can go to the second it can go to the second room like that. You run it there, then you go to the second room. Another thing is once you connect this by cable, you connect computers by cable, next door, next room, you're done doing that. You can also use what they call a Wi-Fi extender. You can connect your Wi-Fi extender here in the last port, then you put it next door if you don't want to use cables. So but if you can connect also your phone. You can see this phone is using a Wi-Fi. You can see it's on Wi-Fi. You can see it's using the same modem here to connect to the Wi-Fi. So other computers were using line cables. So laptops and phones, you can use them using this. But now sometimes it happens like if you go the further you go, the difficult becomes to the modem to get the devices to get a good signal from your modem. So what you do, you can buy what they call a Wi-Fi extender. So once you buy a Wi-Fi extender, you can do what? You can connect it to this modem, then you connect to a cable and put it into this modem, then you run it next door. So that next door, all phones they're gonna be receiving signal, like a high level of signal, as they are using the same as they are using as they are close to the modem. That's why they use a Wi-Fi extender to do that. You get me? So but for sure we do recommend B315s. Also I did a video whereby to show you how to use a Wi-Fi gun. So if that did not work and you find like the signal strength is whatever is low, you can connect this, you can take off this and this, then you connect what they call a Wi-Fi gun. So we're selling Wi-Fi guns. If you want one, you can comment, then we can send you one. But for now, these they work well. You can see it depends on the area where you are. You see where we are now in this place, the modem is sitting down below the table. You can see down, it's not even sitting on top. You can see the level, this level where it's down and it's covered, but still it gets a good signal and the internet doesn't give us any trouble here. So that's what I'm saying. You can use Rain and the B315 and set up a small office and run the entire organization using this B315. If you want, you can put in a telecom SIM card. I don't know the policies of Rain, if they allow you to do that. If they allow you, it's fine, but if they don't allow you, then I don't know, you can use another SIM card. But Rain is the cheapest, as everybody knows that you can spend less and get more. That's the thing. So I use Rain, and most of my people I do recommend them to use Rain so that they spend less on that. You get me? So we have internet. So I want to show you the internet on the computer. I showed you internet there. So you saw this is the you saw the cable which runs into there. So then we can come here and we see the computer here. It has its own network. You can see the network there down. You can see we have internet access here, and also on the phone we have internet access, and also on another computer in the next room we have internet access. So you can also use those internet cameras, and we showed you that we had cameras here. You know, you can connect your cameras on that. It's a good thing. So you see that camera, you can use internet cameras whereby even if you go to Cape Town, you can be watching what's going on in your place. You get me? So stay a free life. Don't get expensive packages on internet, because before some of them they say they're giving you this, but it's limited. They say unlimited, but it's limited. Once you go over 500 gigs, then you find your internet slow. You can't use it anymore. Sometimes they disconnect it. That's why we say Rain is the best for you. So this phone also is connected to the internet, as we said, and the computers and whatever. So guys, we do really appreciate your support. If you have any problem with the signal or with anything or with 5G, talk to us. We can help you do that, because we've helped a lot of people, some of them free of charge, some of them we charge them, but we don't usually much charge money. We just give advices for free on how to do these things. If you have a small office and you want us to help you, we can come help you and set up your 5G, 4G, then you use it and be fine. Thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next video.